Hey, what's up everyone? This is Young Kari, and today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on the Scarecrow, and it'll be a lot of fun. So, we're gonna start with the Flamingo palette from Voss, and we're going in with Sunbathe. We're gonna use this as our transition shade, and we wanna blow it out as much as possible. Next, we're going in with Popsicle. We're gonna put this also in the crease, but leaving the center empty. Next will be Sandals, and we're also gonna put this on the outer and inner corner, only on the lid. Next would be Island, and we're going to put it right next to Sandals, again leaving the center empty. And finally, we're using Pineapple in the center of the lid, and I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. After that, I'm going in with Popsicle, and we're going to put it on the bottom lid, and you can go very low since we are going to put some black under there. Then I'm going in with Sandals again. We're going to do the same thing. And now with this Wet n Wild paint pot, we're going to draw some lines on the lower lid. I start very soft, and later on I wanted it to be a little bit more dramatic, so I went back off camera and put more lines. But you can leave it like this if you want. It really is preference, so whatever you guys like to do. So next, with the same paint pot, I'm going to go ahead and draw on my nose. I'm going to do like a big old teardrop, and then I'm going to put some stitches all around. So for the empty space in the nose, I'm gonna go in with Main Chick, and I didn't like, it wasn't really dark enough, so I went back with Sandals and went over it again. Next, I'm going in with this bronzer called Private Party, and I'm gonna draw some freckles. Back again with Main Chick, I'm gonna draw some big old dots on my cheeks. And with Bull Chick, I'm gonna do the lip liner, and we're gonna fill in only the bottom lip. And after that, I'm going in with Kylie Cosmetics, and it's called Pumpkin, and we're gonna do the top lip with that one. Going back with the paint pot, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the stitches around the mouth. So you're gonna do two long lines, and you're gonna draw some stitches. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is a scarecrow, so that's the good thing. So just do the best you can and have fun with it. What I do for the stitches, I just draw some like X's and lines just randomly. I'm also drawing some black dots just on the inside of that orange on my cheek. For the inner corner, I'm going to use Palooza, and this is a pressed glitter, so you don't need any glitter glue. I am going to put my lashes off camera as well. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and draw some patches, some random patches. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So what I do, I draw some like squares or rectangles and put stitches all around. And I also put some dots inside. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!